Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are walking down the middle of Sugarcreek. We're about to see the world's largest cuckoo clock. Families, I'm cutting across already because I see this interesting thing out here. As you can see him over there. We're going up to see this guy here. Has some presents, I guess. I'm not gonna read that whole thing, but you guys can take a look at it. Pause it and read it yourself. But look, it's a donations thing. Alright, this is what to be the largest cuckoo clock. And it's from Sugarcreek, as you can see the top. And go all the way down, got a little windmill water thing. Runs on the hour and every half hour, so in about 5 minutes, I guess, a little cuckoo. So we'll see. Everybody's just waiting for the cuckoo clock to go off here in a few minutes. So that's what I'm waiting for. You can see the little people on the side there.
I thought he already started that.
It's probably for the quietness, is everybody's quiet because they want to hear the cuckoo clock go off and see all the people out here waiting for it to go off. So that's why we got a big crowd here. It'll go off in a minute or two. There you go. It should be going off any minute now. Thing. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, look. That is cool. Come out of the ring. That is cool. away, huh? Oh, then the door opens, and then it'll be put away. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.